Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make bread custard. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 slices of day-old bread, 2 cups of whole milk, 3 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. You will also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Having these ready ensures a smooth process from start to finish. Next, prepare your bread by cutting it into 1-inch cubes or tearing it into small pieces. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of whole milk until well combined. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Make sure the sugar fully dissolves for a perfectly smooth custard. Now, arrange the bread pieces evenly in an 8 by 8-inch baking dish. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture over the bread, ensuring every piece is thoroughly saturated. Let the bread soak for at least 30 minutes. This allows it to absorb the liquid fully. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. Your bread custard is ready when a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. The top should be golden brown and the custard set. Allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. For an extra touch, dust with a bit of cinnamon or powdered sugar. Enjoy your warm, comforting bread custard.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.